So got our computer hard drive here, running SATA drives at 5400 RPM and 4 gig of memory. I'm just wonder how fast if I upgrade this computer compared to SSD drive with the 4 gig of RAM. I'm just gonna go quickly remove the back cover, as you can see, and I got spare SATA drive 2.5 inch. Now I'm just removing battery just to be safe. I have completely removed. The battery has been removed. Now just gonna take the drive out. As you can see, it's 500 gigs at the speed of 5400 RPM. And we're just gonna have a look at the memory. This is running 4 gigs of RAM. So it's gonna put 8 gigs. I don't think this is gonna fit because it's wrong one, neither this one. So because it's so old, running DDR3, put the 4 gig back. I'm just wondering if I have spare memory. Let's have a look. Oh yes, I do. But it's 4 gig as well, so I'm gonna put new memory in there just to test. Here's the 4 gig of RAM. It is 4 gig RAM. So I'm gonna swap it and see how it goes. 500 gigs SATA drives running at 5400 RPM. Just gonna carefully slide in place. Double check memory. Put the battery back in there. Screw it in. Just make sure it's nice and safe. Yep, now it's done. Put the back cover back on. I'm just gonna put one screw just to don't want to spend too much time. Put all the screw in the place. Right, let's get started. So I'm just gonna put some charger because I think this battery is flat. I've got a USB bootable Windows 10 21H1. We're gonna do Windows 10 21H1 and then we'll do SATA drives right now. So figured it out, I didn't have any charger, so plug the charger in there. With HP, you just press F9 to get the boot sequence. And the boot sequence should give you the option. Just be with me a second. Right, just enter it up. Just waiting for Windows to start up. Right here, as Windows 10. We're just gonna leave it as default, so just click next at this time. I'm not sure why I'm looking for different countries, so I'll just go next now. Let's click install. That might take a little while. Okay. that took about 19 minutes to do the operating system for SATA drives. Now I'm just gonna show you how to see how fast of SSD drives. Just gonna swap SSD drive to SATA drive. I mean SATA drive to SSD drive. Again, just remove the battery and SATA drive. Carefully remove, and then just put it aside. This is SSD 250 gig drive. It's in there. Put the battery back in there. Alright, it's gonna put the cover. Again, one screw. Cool. Now it's gonna put a charger and USB drives. Let's get started and see how long. Put it on. Place F9. Choose a USB drive. Click next and click install, and then choose the hard drive. Let's see how long it takes. Take a little while. Let's go. All right, we'll get back to it. So just do a final restart now, and so far so good. It takes about 7 minutes to build with SSD drives. So it's so much faster than the SATA drives. Now, I've got another drives that I would like to test as well. It's M.2 drives. Let's get stuck in. So just get the laptop shut down, and I'm just gonna swap the SSD drive to SSD. Just remove the back cover like so. Here's my M.2 drives. Set aside. There was a screw. I'm just gonna get this screw removed, and basically just slide the M.2 in place and screw back down. You can leave the 2.5-inch SSD drive, but you need to identify which one which. But in this case, I'll just take it out just for just video purpose, and put the battery back in there, secure it, and screw the back cover and start again. Let's see how long does it takes with M.2. Cool. We're just about to finish it off, and it took about 6 minutes with 256 gigs, 4 gig of memory, M.2. So it's not so much different, still pretty good. So the next one I'm gonna try if there's any different or any improvement by increasing the memory from 4 gigs to 16 gigs. Let's get started. So I got the memory sitting next to the laptop here. Just remove the back cover and take remove the 4 gig of RAM and put the 16 gigs as you can see here. And we're gonna see if we can build 16 gigs of memory on M.2 SSD 256 gigs. Put the back cover on, screw it in place. Let's see. So we just do the same thing, F9 to get the boot menu, select the USB drive when it's ready. Obviously you just if you increase the memory, computer will detect the new hardware, so it takes some time. So here we are, ready to go. So just follow up the screen and then we'll give you the updates. Thank you. So I'm just finishing off the M.2 256 with 16 gig of memory, and it took about 6 minutes of installing the operating system from scratch. It's not too bad, and likewise I would put 16 gigs of memory for the operating system, um, and during the installation there's not much different, maybe a little bit faster, maybe less than 16 minutes 6 minutes, sorry. Hope you enjoy the videos, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next videos.